morning, everybody. I am in LA on the 605 north, headed to the 210. Me and Diane is headed to Albuquerque. Made my last stop with Tony from A1 Turbo Industries. Met with him and JR. You can see the Panthers packed to the gill. I couldn't even get my box in here from Swedish Car Parts. I had to break the package down. Got some lemons from my cousin, and we are headed back. So yesterday I worked on an S60, did a timing belt, VVT hub seals from Swedish Car Parts, and we did a full timing belt service on that thing. So that S60 should be good to go. He needed to service a transmission, get a little clamp on the hose and stuff he's gonna have to handle. I also helped his mom replace a radiator on a 03 or 04 Honda Civic. Got that knocked out today. Then I went and checked out Tony. So next time you hear from me, I should be in Albuquerque working on Red Baron, getting the Baron roadworthy. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how I replaced the rear cam seal on the Volvo 960. This is the one here on the passenger side under the cam sensor. First thing I do is get this tool here, got from Home Depot. It's a Torx Allen style, and I break the bolts loose. I can reach it back there, stick it in there, break the bolts loose, then I could turn those two bolts out. Got both screws out. Use both hands to get that lower one out. So now you get to push the sensor off. Get the sensor off and out of the way. Use this flat tip screwdriver, kind of narrow, to pry around the edges of it. Get the sensor to pop out. I don't know which way is the best way to get that out of the way. I'm gonna set it up here. Now you can see in there. Oh, it's got that sensor on there too. So I'm gonna take the 10mm, knock that off. Remember the orientation, the seal's behind it. Got that screw out and the sensor out. If you look closely, that hole's off-centered. The two holes on the edge. That sensor's supposed to go in one way. It's going to go in this way, fall into place before I put that nut back on, or the car probably won't start. So let's see in here. Yeah, we got oil in there. The seal is still in there pretty good, even though it's leaking. So I need to try to figure out how to get that seal out of there. That's the hard part. With my little pick, I was having a hard time, so James here used this larger pick and got that thing out with that. Took him about 4 or 5 minutes, but hey, that's no time at all. So I'm gonna see if I can sneak this back there and push it in and go from there. All right, so my tool was back there. We got the seal pressed all the way in place. I'm about to put this cap back on here, just like it came off. Stick that 10mm through there. I'm just kind of excited and glad that the tool fit, the seal tool. So got that in place. Put this 10mm back in there, snug that down, then put the sensor back on. Just try not to drop your bolts down. If they don't hit the ground, it's gonna suck. I am here with Greg, Volvo enthusiast. He actually purchased an XC90 parts car to get some interior bits. It has pretty decent seats and stuff in there. That third row seat contraption And we're going to take some plastic out of here to keep his other car looking good. Somebody seized up the engine, gave it to their daughter or whatever. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.